everybody, what up? It's your boy Carfleet. We're back with another off-roading video. It's been months. 4 Lows having a run this morning, so we stayed the Friday night and we found this pretty sick spot. Yeah, it's gonna be super fun, guys. I've never met 4 Lows. Finally get to meet them. They were one of the reasons why I started like an off-road channel. Story Till Now and Robbie Fear. All these local people kind of made me think, like, oh, it's something you can do, I guess. Like, I don't know. You always see people far away, but when they're local and you can meet them, it's pretty cool. So we'll film it on the way out, but we're literally bushwhacking. Like, look at that. It's a black hole from here. So we're actually gonna be driving through that on the way out. We actually had to go like under a tree. We're gonna head down to meet everybody for the run. We're gonna show you guys how tight this trail is.
Holy.
We gotta put our windows up. So this is Pinstripe Nation. That's what we're getting at. I actually broke my rear tail light guard and broke my front, and I had a stubby antenna, but that broke off. I have no clue where.
Oh my god.
We don't worry about pinstripes though. Like you don't worry about that.
Oh my god.
Holy. You don't have a choice though. Like there's no avoiding this stuff.
Oh my
truck's
god.
So big. Alright, so we just met up with the 4 Low crew for the newbie run. Woo! Tons of rigs. Here's the one and only. That thing's unreal. Dogs?
Oh, and he's selling like that. I think it was it.
Tons of awesome rigs. Oh, damn. That's sweet. Ready? Alright, so we just pulled out of the beginning of the trail where everybody was airing down. As you guys can see, there's so many rigs here, and they're all like beefy and sick. I think it's gonna be an awesome trip. It's not gonna be a tough one, but it's just a cruise with some people, so like all the 4 Low members are here, like majority of them. They're all super nice. It's pretty cool. So basically, I was kind of the leader of like a 10 rig pack. I didn't know where we were going. I was counting on this one guy in front of me, and he made it like, and I couldn't see where he was, so I kept staying on the FSR, All of a sudden, he turns around, he's like, hey, do you guys know where you're going? I'm like, dude, I got no clue. So we ended up going way out in the middle of nowhere on the FSR. We had to turn around, all of us, and go all the way back. Now we're finally on the loop, I think. I don't even know yet, but I think we're on the loop. Yeah, so we should be good now, but it was so like funny. Everyone was just like Dude, I got no clue. All got lost. To the top, get the turnout. What's better though, that view or you turn around and see all the rigs?
That's true, hey?
Hunting coast? TJ Hunt.
That's crazy.
Oh, look at that.
Holy, the view. Wow.
That's insane. Oh, another one, eh?
Okay, I'm gonna go for outdoor.
Alright guys, so we're at the peak there and we met up with everybody and saw that amazing view. It was really cool. And I got to talk to Break Bell and stuff. That was really cool. So now we're heading back down and we're coming up on Widow's Peak. Oh. Coming up on Widow's Peak. I've heard a lot about it and I really want to try it, so we'll see how it goes.
Almost got donked. Flexi?
Look at that. Woo. Another viewpoint on the way. That's unreal.
Just beautiful. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Alright guys, so we turned the corner and we finally came head on with Widowmaker. And these clips do no justice at all. This hill literally scared me when I looked at it. The 4 Low people were super nice and they said, your truck is perfect for this because it's a long wheelbase vehicle. So I sent it, and here's how it went. We can do it.
I'm convinced you can.
I think we can do it. It's just
I think it's just nerves.
Hey, wish me luck, buddy.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my
Holy.
god. I'm freaking out,
Do you want to do an
man.
after
Oh
Widow's
my
Peak
God.
interview? Yeah, how are you feeling?
That is insane. I literally was holding my breath the whole time, dude.
Oh
like,
my god.
Oh, can we look at that
Oh
from
yeah.
over here?
Oh yeah.
But like, it was just grip the whole way. Like, I still felt
Yeah.
like, comfortable up
You
there.
had a few bounces, but it was just gripping.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. I didn't think I was gonna do it.
Stick a little more to the right, you'll miss that rock. And
Oh.
and it won't be so bouncy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I couldn't really see much.
Yeah. Look at the sky, right?
Yeah. I was just hoping. I was like just going, like, I don't know.
You just don't stop. Just stay on the throttle, let it bounce.
Yeah.
everything.
Dude, I can't
That was
believe you
awesome,
did
dude.
man.
That was so
That is
cool.
insane. Look at that. Go right by
I
that,
don't miss
that
that
tree
rock.
there. You want me to take it?
Sure, yeah. Do you think?
The angle's ridiculous on this. Dude, no justice done with this at all.
Don't stop. Momentum,
Woo!
keep going.
Let's go. That's crazy. Holy
No way, dude.
This is insane.
Wow.
Look at all that. All right, we made it out. Made it out of that crazy journey. Thank you so much to Four Low BC for hosting that event. That was awesome. It was so much fun. Everybody was super nice, helpful, especially going up that Widow's Peak thing. I was freaking so scared, but it was such a good time. We made it out with a few dings. We got some merch from Four Low too. We made it out without our taillight guards. CB radio we had to take off halfway because it kept getting dummy. And then we lost our antenna here. I don't know where it went, so it's just gone. But that's it. It's just really dirty, but the front bumper did really well. No issues with clearance because it's tucked more than my old one. And it was like, look at that skid plate. You can't even see the engine anymore. That was the first trip with it and it did really well. So we're just airing up. That was a good time. Alec, what do you think? Yeah, it was so much fun. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.